Hey everyone! I'm Daria, the kid from the year 2099. I came back in time to tell you something important. In my time, playgrounds don't exist anymore. Yep. No slides, no swings, no sandbox. We play on screens, in the sky, and with robots. Imagine this. Instead of running around outside, we wear virtual reality suits and zoom through holographic obstacle courses. Or race drones that beep and zoom like crazy. Sounds fun. It is, but here's a catch. We miss the old playgrounds, the ones with real sand between your toes. The swings that made you feel like you could touch the clouds. And the sound of friends laughing so loud your ears almost popped. One time, I tried to explain what slide is to my little robot buddy. He looked at me like I was speaking alien. And monkey bars? Oh boy! In 2099, we train on the zero-gravity climbing walls, but with sticky gloves and AI voice, coaches yelling, "Engage your core!" But nothing compares to struggling across the monkey bars with sweaty hands while your best friend cheers, "You can do it!" We even had these silly games like spinning until you fell over. Now we simulate spinning with noisy settings. Yes. We simulate getting dizzy. What? Oh, and don't even get me started on hide and seek. In the future, we play stealth, camo chase with invisibility suits. Sounds awesome. It is. But it's no match for hiding behind the bush, trying not to giggle while someone shouts, "Ready or not, here I come!" But here's the real deal. Playgrounds aren't just places to play. They're where you learn how to make friends, solve little problems, take turns, and sometimes break your knee and realize, "I'm okay." Those small moments shape big people. So please go outside, run, slide, scream, fall down, laugh, and get back up. Play tag, build sandcastles, race your best friends to the swing and shout, "Last one, there smells like robot socks." Enjoy your playgrounds, because in 2099, we're still trying to bring them back. And believe me, no matter how advanced the tech gets, nothing beats a sunny day, a squeaky swing, and your real-life best friend pushing you higher and higher. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite playground game or your funniest playground memory. Tell me. See you in the next video. Straight from 2099 with love, Daria, Future Kids.